Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp favorites. Today, we're going to show you how to remove a group from your favorites on WhatsApp web using your PC. This process is straightforward and will help you keep your most important chats organized. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply navigate to the WhatsApp web page, scan the QR code with your phone, and you'll be logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your chats list on the left side of the screen. Now, let's focus on managing your favorites. Click on the Favorites tab. This will show you all the chats you've marked as favorites, including groups. Scroll through the list until you find the group you want to remove from your favorites. Once you've located the group, click on the More Options icon next to it. This icon usually looks like 3 dots or a downward arrow, depending on the layout. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Remove from Favorites. This action will immediately remove the group from your favorites list. You won't receive any confirmation prompts, so make sure you're selecting the right group. Removing a group from your favorites doesn't delete the group itself or affect its functionality. It simply removes it from the quick access list, allowing you to declutter and prioritize other important chats. If you're managing multiple groups and want to keep your favorites list tidy, this feature is incredibly useful. You can add and remove groups as needed, ensuring that your most important conversations are always at your fingertips. That's it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your WhatsApp favorites on your PC. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, keeping your favorites organized can save you time and make your communication more efficient. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.